the love we share that really turns me on. 'Cause you're always in my dreams of love. There's something about the love we share that really turns me on. 'Cause you're always in my dreams of love. I really do miss the nights that we have spent together. We're all alone, baby. Oh, baby, I never want to love another. 'Cause you're the only one. I love you forever. There's something about the love we share that really turns me on. 'Cause you're always in my dreams of love. There's something about the love we share that really turns me on. 'Cause you're always in my dreams of love. Something about the love we share that really turns me on. 'Cause you're always in my dreams of love. There's something about the love we share that really turns me on. 'Cause you're always in my dreams of love. Oh baby, there's something about the love we share.
Will it be a waste of time spending my life here with you? 'Cause if you don't wanna be mine, I'm better alone. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come 5 years down the line, you say you wanna go on your way. Baby, I can't deny I won't feel the pain. No, I traveled down Hurt Avenue before, and I don't wanna end up on that road anymore. Even though some things are better left undone, I know I'm gonna end up on that road again. Baby, heart of mine isn't like it used to be before. No, it's had a lot of little bumps and grinds. It's just not the same. But girl, give me some time. I really wanna wind it up for you. Yes, I wanna shine. Yes, I wanna shine all over again. You know that I've traveled down Hurt Avenue before, and I don't wanna take that road again anymore. Even though some things are better left undone, I know I'm gonna end up on that road again. Ooh. Baby, can you wait? Can you wait? Can you wait? Or would it be too late? Can you wait? Won't you wait for me? Yeah. You know that I've traveled down Hurt Avenue before, and I don't wanna end up on that road anymore. Even though some things are bad or left undone, I know I'm gonna end up on that road again. Oh, baby, can you wait? Baby, can you wait? Won't you wait for me? Can you wait? Or would it be too late? Can you wait for me? For me, for me, for me. Woo. Can you wait? Can you wait? Won't you wait for me? Can you wait? Or would it be too late? Can you wait?
I've been listening. It's just all we got to do is try. Somehow, someway, we lost this magic. We got to find a way to recapture that special feeling we once knew. It won't be easy, we both know. If we believe in each other, we must believe in each other to keep that feeling fresh. We must believe in each other to keep that feeling fresh. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, I do believe that we can make it. I know that we can make it again. Yeah. We can make it. I know that we can make it again. We can make it. We can make it. I know that we can make it again. Yeah. of blindness, I let it slip away. We got to find it, let's find it, and bring it back, I pray. Don't let our troubles and our heartaches take our good thing away. We can't recapture the magic if we believe in each other. We must believe in each other to keep that feeling fresh and new. We must believe in each other to keep that feeling fresh and new. Together it's been recaptured. I can see the magic when I look in your eyes. I understand our reason for reunion, 'cause we believe in one another. 'Cause our faith was tempered with so much love. I guess our love was based on so much faith. Oh, 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 oh. We must believe in each other, keep the feeling fresh and fresh. We must believe in each other to keep that feeling fresh and standing there, you were lovely. You know I can't believe what you mean to me, and I can't help but stare, 'cause you're an angel. I think the stars above are sending me your love, and I'm not too blind to see, no, that you've got the love I need, oh baby. Girl, you're the one for me, and I care. And I'll send you red roses, 'cause you're a dream come true. were for me. There was no doubt in my mind that love was for me this time, and I can't let you go. You're my heartbeat. I'll do my best to please you, 'cause you know I want you, and I'll give my all to you. Oh, it's all I wanna prove, yeah. And I've got good love for you, and I care. And I'll send you, yeah, yeah, red roses, 'cause you're my dream come true. Oh, you're a dream. Oh, Lord, I wanna touch you. I wanna feel.
Could you open the door, baby? Come on, baby, open the door. It's cold. It's raining out here, too. Okay, it's gonna be like that. Okay, I'll talk through the door. I'm fine talking through the door. It's cool. You know, you've always given me love, baby, and I feel deep down in my heart that I kind of walked all over your love. Let me start at the beginning. Like, I'm a Gemini, okay? And that's the sign of the twins. And I hate to say it, baby, but one of the twins is scum. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, baby, for all the wrong I've done. You know your BMW, baby? You thought it got stolen? Didn't nobody steal your BMW, baby. I sold your car. I'm a dog, girl. What can I say? I'm a damn dog. Speaking of dogs, baby. Let me get myself together. You still listening? Okay, because I can't see you, baby. It's hard to talk to you when I can't see you. Your dog didn't run away, baby. When you was out of town, well, we had an accident with the microwave oven. See, your dog looked cold, baby. And I put him in the microwave. I guess 12 minutes was just too long, baby. It was just too long. I'm sorry. I love you, girl. I love you. Could you open up the door? Damn, it's cold out here. Could you open up the door, please? Okay. Just listen. Don't wait, baby. Just listen. I got a couple more things I gotta say. I put some long distance phone calls on your telephone. Like $800 worth of long distance phone calls. See, me and little Sonny, baby, we're trying to open up a Popeye's chicken in Germany. And I was taking care of some business. You know, another thing, I took your credit card. If you look on your wallet, you ain't got no credit card. I bought this full-length leather coat. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing it right now, baby. I'm glad I bought it, because it's cold out here and you won't let me in. Just crack the door, baby. Just a little bit. Just crack the door so I can see your sweet, smiling face, baby. You can keep the chain on it even. Just crack the damn door. Let me stick my hand in. It's cold out. I'm sorry, baby. I swear I'm sorry. Oh. I can't even talk. Let the saxophone player play a solo. Thanks, man. Thanks, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Sound real good, brother. Anyway, baby, one more thing. I told you my name was Tyrone Johnson, and my daddy owned Ebony magazine. That's a lie, baby. See, I I would tell you things, baby, you know, to get you where I wanted to. You know how guys are. I don't even know who my father is, baby. My name is Chunky, that's my real name. I even lied about my damn name. My name is Chumpton Arthur Hall, baby. And I'm sorry. Hey, man, chill with the saxophone for a minute, cause I can't hear it. Can you hear me, baby? You still there? Are you listening? Hey, man, chill with the saxophone. Whose album is this? Mine or yours, man? Baby, one more thing. I slept with Josella. Baby, I didn't know she was your sister. If I knew she was your sister, I wouldn't have slept with Josella. I mean, you know, she's fine and everything, but it's wrong, baby. And I'm sorry. I love you. Open the door, baby. I ain't got no apartment, baby. I don't want to sleep at the YMCA no more. Come on, girl.
Mama used to tell me when you moan, people don't know what you're moaning about. Some people moan when they're glad, and some people moan when they're sad. You see, either way the wind blows, it's cool with me. My doctor told me not to pick up nothing heavier than bacon and egg, and not too many heavy thighs. Man, all joke aside, look at him. Today I got a letter in the mail from the President Bush and Quayle. Says, important notice. Please read carefully. Says, dear Mr. West, the Department of Social Service will hereby grant you a relief check on June the 3rd of $303.21 per month. You will receive a health card. Yeah. Everybody need a health card these days with all these things going around. It says, you may also qualify for food stamps. Now, when the hell it mean I may qualify? When I almost got caught last night at the Piggy Wiggy coming out with a poke roast up under my shirt. Like the Godfather said, they ain't done got too far gone. Boy, look at him. They say, you must report any change in your address, income, assets, size of your family, and other situations to your local welfare office within the next 10 days. What about the people living in them hotels? They've been reporting to the welfare office. Y'all did a damn thing for them. How you gonna do so much for me? Yeah, I don't wanna be sassy, but I thank you for this piece of paper I got today. I got my check today. And I'm so glad now I can run some of these bills away. I got my welfare check. I got my check today. You know, I'm not the lazy type, but I will work. Yes, sir, Bob. I done finished school, still can't get a job. You know, every time they send me to a job site, when I get there, they tell me, say, oh, that was filled last night. I used to say to myself, now, that don't even sound right. See, I thought it was the color of my skin, which was black. Until I turned around, I saw the next 10 people get turned down, their skin was white. See, it's not about the color, creed, or race. All kinds of people waiting in line down at the welfare place. You know, I went over to a septic tank company, see if I could get a job. I said, I can drive a truck. They wanted to know if I had a degree in chemistry. I said, y'all must want me to mix up the stuff. Have you ever had an appointment with your caseworker at 9 o'clock in the morning? You waited all day and you didn't see her till 3 o'clock that afternoon, just for that bitch to tell you to come back next Tuesday to recertify. And if you had to speak to the supervisor, they'll tell you she in a meeting all day long. Or they might use this line, say, she's out to hunt. Now who in the hell come to work 9 o'clock in the morning and go to lunch at 10? Boy, they got something for you down at welfare home. Man, let me tell you, I'm hungry. I need some food in my house. See, I ain't no hunter. I wasn't raised in the woods. I don't know nobody going looking in the bushes trying to find no quail. Why don't y'all give me an emergency relief check? Don't come telling me that mess about the computers down, which they always do. And if they do give you a check, it won't be for $10. Now how in the hell $10 gonna pay for cigarettes, half a pie, ham for bacon, eggs, and milk? Some of y'all will run try to catch the man on the corner. Y'all get yourself together. Y'all know it ain't right. Spending your check and that crazy stuff. Talking about if I stray, I can get rehabilitated. Well, it was in your mind to come down and try to get that check. It all be in your mind to try to get correct. Some of you ladies abuse the system. You take your money and give it to the 30 to 31 crew. You know, the guys that don't come around till the last of the month. You know, the 30 to 31st. And then y'all be talking about, I got my check today. I know what y'all be talking about. I'm gonna spend it today. Girl, what you gonna be flat? I got my welfare check. If the government don't do y'all no good, keep singing. I got my welfare check. Baby, that's straight up tonight, right? I need it, and I need it back. Oh, when the first of the month come around.
Hello?
Hello, baby. How you doing? Yeah, this me, Tony. I just called to say hi. You know, these past few weeks, all I could do is think about you and that silly argument we had. You know, me telling you to pull up. I'm the star, you're the astronaut. Remember that, baby? Yeah, but now I come to realize that there's more than one star in the heavens, and I feel more like a falling star. Can't nobody love you like I do, baby.
There's no way to measure my love for you. Words can never explain. No, babe. As long as we've been together, you and I as one, I know we can stand the rain. We can make it, baby. Yeah. Just put your trust in me, and I'll put my trust in you. As long as we've been together, it shouldn't be hard to do. It's not like we don't know. We've been down this road before. Believe me, girl, when I say I care, I need and love your soul.
Tony, maybe nobody does love me like you do. When I first met you, you was flipping burgers in a burger joint. Yeah, you made a few records, got a little money. Now you think you're God's gift to women. You know, you used to send me roses, take me to dinner. But when I made love to you, Tony, all that changed. Females calling the house night and day. Tony, that's why I left. I can't take it anymore. I can do bad by myself.
The way we left each other, girl, I still feel the pain. Knowing deep down inside that you and I could never be the same. The same, looking back at all those times that we shared together. We swore we'd never separate. We'll be together forever. Just put
Oh, baby, you don't remember all the things I used to do for you, huh? Like keep your hair and your nails done every week. You used to go shopping almost every day. Fendi, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. You weren't complaining then. Oh yeah, you forgot the way I used to make love to you 4 or 5 hours at a time. Baby, can't nobody bring you like I brought you. And don't you ever forget, can't nobody love you like I do.
You can climb the highest mountain,
open the door. Tony, you better not have another female in there. Tony, I'll kick her. Tony, you know, I've been thinking.
Whoa, 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 baby, where you going with them suitcases? Love don't live here anymore. You should have realized that when your key ain't fit in the door. And what you think? You can run in and out of my life like you a revolving door or something? Baby, you fired. Your papers are signed and on their way to you in the mail. You see, you snooze, you lose, you blow, you go. Know what I mean, Bird? Yo, where you going?
Tony, I gotta use the bathroom.
You gotta use it? Yo, baby, here go a quarter. It's a gas station around the corner.
Tony, this ain't my toothbrush.
Yeah, I know that ain't your toothbrush.
But who's on it then? It's not mine.
Oh, now you wanna know who toothbrush that is. Well, I'ma tell you who toothbrush that is. You know your so-called best friend, your partner, the one who told you to leave me? Girl, he ain't no good. You can do better. Well, she was over here an hour after you left.
But Tony, I love you.
You love me? Baby, I'm a gigolo. To me, love ain't nothing but a misunderstanding between two fools. I make you feel good, you make me feel good. What more you want from me, huh? See, baby, being with me is like owning a Toyota. Who could ask for anything more? Remember, baby, I'm the star. You're the astronaut. You chilling with the stars. But right now, your rocket done crashed. So get on out of here. You know, who do you think I am? Willie Lunch me? Joe Sergeant here or somebody? Go on. Bye.
Shared all the hurt and tears. No matter what the weather, we were always together. Then we grew up and time went on. We became separated. When I went off to school, my sweet Toby waited. I went off to school, my sweet Toby waited. Was a sad day when Toby went away. Was a sad day when Toby went away. Sad day, Toby went away. Sad day, Toby went away. I came home from spring vacation, expected to find my Toby waiting. Called her on her private phone. She didn't answer, something was wrong. I ran all the way to her house, rang the bell. Her mother answered and told me to come and sit a spell. I sat down to try to be prepared for what she'd say. And what she said brought tears to my eyes I couldn't push away. Toby left on a cloudy, rainy day. She went to say